Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some basically features on ChatGPT basically. So if you go to this section here, you can customize your ChatGPT. You can select the nickname you want ChatGPT to call you. What do you do? For instance, content creator. You can also adjust the personality that ChatGPT has. Default, cynic, robot listener, and nerd. I'm just gonna go with cynic because why not? You can also add traits for ChatGPT. I'm just going to type in really smart and then witty, I don't know, smart and use quick and okay. Anything else ChatGPT should know about you, you can also enable that. You can even go to advanced here, then press save. As you can see, it changes over here as well. You can also search chats, etc. You can also make GPT make you a presentation. Make me a 10-slide presentation on mitochondria. I don't know. How do you even spell that? And then it'll give you a response. You can get whichever one you want. For instance, I prefer this response. Okay. And then press yes. Yes. So ChatGPT will make it into a polished PowerPoint file. You can also make ChatGPT create like a schedule for you. But yeah, that is it for this video. You can even download it here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.